Here we are. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. New big box, very heavy. I can do it. What's inside this? My new toy. You want to see? No. Look at this. So heavy. Traxxas UDR. And now we unbox it. This is not a new model. It's a lot of years that Traxxas has made this. But up to now, it's one of the best. Horizon Hobby has made something like this, a vehicle like this, a little bit bigger, but it's not so a reproduction. This is a real reproduction of the real car that makes races in the desert. And I've chosen this color, but let's open the box and I show you for I think the 1300 time unboxing of this car. But now this is my unboxing and I say you comment, like and subscribe. Overall, subscribe. Let's go to the unboxing. It's so big. I used to take this plastic on my boxes. Later I will show you. No, I'll show you now. Look at there. Those are all the boxes of my RC cars. And inside the boxes you have other boxes with inside other boxes. Because I have near 100 RC cars, but all the boxes of these models I have. I'm perhaps a maniac. So if you want to hold the boxes, it's better they are protected with this plastic skin. Let's go to the unboxing. First of all, radio. This is a standard Traxxas radio. Not good, not bad, quite good. Very difficult to program, no screen. Here, if you want to use money, and this is a marketing technique that I don't like, that please give me money, I give you something. No, you have to give me everything, like the Fly Sky radio or other radio like that. But here you can buy something and from the phone you can check your radio. And no more function, 2 channels. This is quite unuseful for me. It's a sort of self-driving system. This is the throttle trim, on throttle trim, and these 2 buttons to program. 4 AC batteries here under. 4. If you have rechargeable, the radio has not the plug. On off, standard Traxxas radio, nothing special. Then we have this instruction manual, and it is quite good. It has a lot of tools with this this one is a special suspension tool. Nice tools, as usual. This, in this bag, you have this spacer, not a spacer, and this plug in case you want to work the car with a 14.8 volt LiPo battery. So there's just one LiPo in the car. You have two plugs. This is to close one plug, and this is foam for reduce the space inside the battery compartment. And if you have batteries not so big, they require, otherwise they dangle inside, it's not good. And this is good. Then you have instructions, stickers, warranty, little fox stickers, and instruction manual is just an explosion of the car. There are not really real instructions. Pictures, some informations, what you need. This is a ready-to-run model, so, but instructions with all the tips for correct maintenance, they could be useful. And this is too. And now, my friends, and now, where, here. How has it been, this car? Okay. Huh? What do you say about this? Perhaps you know this car. I told you, it's not a new one. But I'm so happy. It's so big. It's so big. Boom. Boom. And not butter inside. Oh, I wanted, since the first time I've seen it, I wanted, but really it's quite expensive. You need batteries. I didn't had, you need two kind of batteries, 7.4, 11.1, or one battery, 14.8. I have some LiPo batteries, but not the pair of the same one, and they suggest to use the same one. So I have bought batteries with a problem. This car is wonderful because the connector, you don't have two wires. There's a plug inside the frame, and from the battery you plug inside the frame. I haven't found, obviously if I buy Traxxas and I use a lot of money, I find them, but on the aftermarket I haven't found batteries with a Traxxas plug. I found them, but I haven't. A Chinese one that told me, if you want you can buy to 14.8. No, I would like to have 11.1. So I told him, well, that one were with the Dean's plugs. I told him, give me the Dean's plugs, I buy the TRX plugs apart, then I will do it by myself. So, let's take a closer look to this amazing car. First thing first you have to know is that this car has the body fixed, mounted with screws. You can't take the body away quickly. So you have to undo a lot of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10 screws. But it's not so necessary, because to put batteries, we turn it over. There's this compartment, very easy to access. you push this lever. 1, 2, and up. 3. And here inside you have connectors, as I told you before. Then this gate, you can open it, and here there's room for 2 11.1 or 7.4 batteries, or 1 14.8 LiPo. Vorsicht! Italian, they never write in Italian. Ah, okay, we read it later. And this is for battery. Very easy and very protected. With just one hand, it's not so easy. Okay, one, and clack! What fantastic. This is the speed controller. Look at the dimension of the speed controller. Then, this is what I like most. Dampers. 2. One with the spring, the other without spring, just dampers. Then, inside the wheels, I turn it with the light, you have caliper and disc. It's quite a toy, but it's nice to see it. Metal drive shaft, the straps, the stabilization bar. Fantastic. It's like a real one. And all the frame, rigid and double wishbone here, 1 and 2, with double shocks. In front, here under, it's very nice to see. Tires, not beadlock tires, but glued. Inside, they are not so fat. With the light, it's better. You see, there's a difference. And this is good, because they are smooth, but they don't have too much, how do you say, they don't flex too much. Inside we have pilots. They are very, very, they look like Darth Vader. Perhaps I will paint them white, orange, the hand. This, the helmet is in carbon. No, the helmet is very nice, I say. Then we have here on the rear, you hear the tires? Very grippy. Here on the rear we have 2 spare real tires. No lights here, no lights. Very good bumper with a jack here inside. Here we have oil, batteries. This is for fire, and this is the air for the dampers. The 2 radiators has something peculiar. That is that now I can't show you inside. Wait a minute, perhaps with the light of the phone I can. Give me the light. No, this is not light, this is pictures. Be patient. Okay. You can see there's a vent, and this works. Works means that turns, doesn't work. But this turns. This is just to say that how amazing. But is this in metal? Is this, what is this, a transmission shaft? A spare transmission shaft in metal. Oh wow, now I understand the price. Look at it. You see, the monster, you see. And the detail is wonderful. If you want, you can paint to give a little bit more detail. I don't like all in red, these things. this gray. Why? This white, this in red. Perhaps I will do something, but it's also nice not to do nothing. This model has rear red LED bumper, LED, and front LED, two here and very large here. I can't wait to see how does it works. I don't have 14.8 battery, but I want to see with 11.1. You like it? Yes. At the end, also Nanny RC has it. At the end. Wonderful. By now, I thank you very much for watching. Comments, like and subscribe. And bye-bye to you all. Am I in the video?